Here we are, guys. First day in Zakopane, and I just tried a kusniche. Yeah, I'm really good at Polish. And I'm starting my hike. So it's already 5 o'clock, and I want to climb because I want to see the sunset and enjoy the golden hour. Sorry. So yeah, let's get started. I hope we're not reaching this top, because honestly, guys, I'm not ready. I'm not ready at all. And when I was listed in Krakow, that was my last day when I did my volunteering with my mates, and we drank a lot, and I went to bed at 4 o'clock. Pretty hangover this morning, and now I'm just hiking for 4 hours. The national park I'm just right now, it's called Tatra National Park. It's a national park between Slovenia and Poland. Just 2 hours from Krakow in the south. You just basically take a bus and you just pay 5 euros. And from here, all trails here, you have to pay 2.5 zloty, which is 50 cents. It's beautiful national parks all day long. It's really crowded, especially in summer. But during winter, people are going there for skiing, snowboarding, thermal spa. Yeah, so it's a good place to go, guys, if you wanna get out of the city, enjoy nature, getting some fresh air, and see this amazing forest. I just reached the first cable car station. I forgot, yeah, if you're lazy, you can just pay the cable car. Look at this landscape, guys, beautiful. Hey guys, guess what we see? We see snow! Yeah, there is snow here. That's awesome. It's cool. I hope we are almost at the end of this hike, because I'm getting a bit tired now. I made it. I made it finally after 2 hours and a half. I made it to the top. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. I can see lakes. Just check this out. Guys, I made it. I went to the top. I'm sorry guys, I don't have the micro, so I hope you can hear me right now. So I just went into the top. It's beautiful, sunset time. Just check this out. Beautiful, right? But I'm fucked. I'm super fucked. It's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. and I'm supposed to get the cable car to go down, and yeah, because now it's gonna be super dark, and the only thing is I need to take the trail on the way back, and it's gonna take me like 2 hours, and I don't have lamp torch. I have just my smartphone. So yeah, it's so good. It's gonna be another adventure again, and that's it. So see you tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to try this mountain behind and see 5 lakes. It's gonna be awesome. And so far, see you tomorrow. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's so beautiful.